Welcome to the Week 3 Exploration Challenge information video. This week's challenge is creating your own custom Google My Maps. That map can be about anything you want it to be. Maybe it's a road trip, maybe it's you're a foodie and it's some restaurant tour you kind of ate your way through. Maybe you're reminiscing about where you grew up, or it could be anything. But take a look below here at in red the requirements. I know it seems like a lot, but I was trying to be kind of descriptive. So when you create your map, you need at least 5 markers, so 5 locations on your map. Those markers all need to include a location name and a text description of the location. They also need to include a picture or video. This is each marker. And I would like for you to use different colors or icons for each of those 5 locations. Use those tools that were part of the tutorials to add one of them, either the line shape tool or the walking, biking, or the distance measurement tool that were there. So use one of those tools, not all 3. Just use one of those to add to your map. Some directions there for about how to make it public and to preview it. And then you're going to go ahead and embed that on week 3 of your website. When you embed it above your map, add a brief description of what your map's about. So if it's about your hometown, or it's about a vacation, or whatever it is, just a brief description. And then at the bottom below the map, I'd like for you to answer these 3 questions that are listed in number 2 down here. So if we flip over, I've got a sample here on my week 3 page. I just made a couple sentences here about the sample map we created in the tutorial. Notice there's my embedded map. Something that you can see here, right now my toolbar, or that sort of navigation pane, is not showing up. All you have to do is click on this icon in the top, and then all those layers will come in on all the different things that were created. And that's a good navigation pane then. So that's kind of how your users can do that. You can also make it full screen to view the larger map, and that's going to take them to a big full screen interface as they're doing it that way. So there's my map that's been embedded. Again, their embed options are you can embed with a link, or you can do the embed code. Remember, if you're going to do the embed code, if you have the Grammarly extension, you need to turn that off. When you go to embed it, you can turn it right back on as soon as it's embedded. But when you go to paste that text and embed it, make sure you turn that Grammarly code off. And then below here, I've answered, or I wrote answer 1. I've got those 3 questions, and you're going to answer those there. So the exploration challenge this week is a quick description about what you made your map about. We're actually making your map. That's going to take up the largest majority of your time here, is the creation of that. And then we're answering 3 questions on our page there for week 3. Again, there's detailed directions there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. This is a new tool probably for most people. So if you have any trouble, let me know. Fix you up. Thanks.